If you love henna but wish it would stain darker, or think henna is just too hard to take care of, or it takes too long to dry, and you know not to use black henna or any of those other fake henna products, it's time to try Jagua. It's plant-based, made from the juice of the Jagua fruit. After you create your design, just let it sit on your skin for a little while and wash it off with warm soapy water. And that's way easier than henna, because with henna you have to avoid water for about 24 hours. You can still wash your hands, just go about your day, you don't even have to think about it. And then the stain it leaves behind pops. It's ridiculously dark. Really deep blue, like permanent ink. And just like henna, the darkness of the stain is going to depend on how long you let it soak in. But with Jagua, you can get an amazing stain just leaving it on for an hour or two. And with henna, the absolute bare minimum is more like 4 to 6 hours. And I don't mean to sound like I'm hating on henna. I'm definitely not. I am obsessed with henna, and there are things about it that I love more than Jagua, but that's not what we're talking about today. Anyway, another thing you should know about Jagua, since it's a citrus fruit, you might be allergic to it if you have other fruit or citrus related allergies. And this is the part where I get a million questions I can't answer. Can I still have Jagua if I'm allergic to mangoes? What if I'm allergic to strawberry? What about pineapple? And the truth is, you can be allergic to all of those things and not be allergic to Jagua, and vice versa. It just means if you're allergic to those things, you're more likely to have a Jagua allergy too. But no matter who you are, if you've never tried it before, I always recommend a patch test first. And if you've ever used henna before, you might be able to tell that the consistency of the Jagua is a little bit different. That's because henna is a paste made from dried leaves, and then you add liquid to it, so it's basically a mud. Jagua is a juice, and you add thickener to it, so it's more like a gel consistency. And that actually makes it really amazing for getting super detailed and intricate lines, because even the finest details are going to stain super dark because this stuff is so potent. And one more thing I love about it is how easy it is to make. You just need the Jagua juice, a thickener, some sugar, and a little essential oil. My Jagua kits are linked in this video, and with everything included, you can make over 100 designs like the one I'm doing here. Or you can get it ready to use. I've got that link too. And lots of stencil options if you're not sure where to start. And I love answering questions, so let me know if there's anything else you guys want to know.